Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan. Happy birthday to you. What are you doing, Joe? What is that?
What is it, Joe?
What is it, Joe?
There. Let me open it. Now let's go get the bag out. Keep sticking this bag.
It's a piece of plastic, Mommy.
I'm trying to help you. Oh, you did it! Good boy, just go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Show Daddy what it is. Take it out. Take it out. Good boy. Oh, that's right. That's right. Take it out. Good boy. He's trying to. Good boy. You did it.
Here, take it out. He's gonna eat the whole thing, Mommy. Dogs go.
Joe, Mommy open the bag for you. Mommy open the bag. Yes, you got treats. Look. What did Mama give you? It's not even your birthday. What did you get? Birthday treats. Want to pick it? Where that came from, Joe?
Throw down a couple maybe.
That's for Ryan's birthday.
Try to eat as fast as you can.
How cute is that? Oh.
Oh, 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 oh.